Hello, I'm Patrick Linnell with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by CattleFax, the deciding factor. During the first half of the year, the feeder cattle and calf market has been strong, with prices steady to above year-ago levels. This is on top of surprisingly strong prices during the fall calf run last year. Year-to-date, U.S. average 750-pound feeder steer prices have averaged $148 per hundredweight, $7 higher than last year, while 550-pound steer calf prices have averaged $13 higher at $176. The bulk of the year-over-year difference came during the first 3 months of the year, and prices have generally held steady to firm since then. Strong prices were supported by an estimated supply of feeder cattle and calves outside of feed yards that was down over 600,000 head compared to 2017 as of January 1st. Feed yards were also coming off a streak of solid margins and strong profitability, which was supportive of feeder and calf demand. Looking to the second half of the year, the July 1st USDA cattle inventory report found feeder cattle and calf supplies 200,000 head larger than 2017. This means feed yards will have more cattle to choose from. But it's also important to note that this is the smallest yearly increase in the feeder and calf supplies since the beginning of this expansion cycle. So far this summer, feeder cattle prices have been moving seasonally higher, with potential for further improvement into the mid-150s during the mid-August to early September time period. From there, feeder prices are expected to seasonally decline into early 2019. For calves, expect prices to seasonally decline from the summer into the fall, with some improvement later into winter. Calf prices tend to find their lows in the late September to October timeframe, when the bulk of spring-born calves are weaned and sold. Calves selling in the summer video auctions for fall delivery have shown strong values so far, with 500 to 600 pound steers in the mid to upper 170s. While calves forward sold during the summer tend to bring the strongest prices during most years, this is a positive indication for potential calf demand during the fall run. Nonetheless, the seasonal still indicates prices lower into the fall, with an average decrease of 12% from the summer cash highs to the fall cash lows. This makes it important to consider different marketing options, including forward selling, value-added programs, and retaining ownership. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real. The volatility is extreme. The risks are big, but the opportunities for success are there. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 50 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective. Our vision is global. Our focus is you. We provide a direct line of contact with you, our client, to the CattleFax team with our daily updated website, modernized mobile app, or the traditional phone conversation. CattleFax, the deciding factor. Become a member at CattleFax.com.